So very good morning, my dear children. Today we will do the remaining questions from the workbook and we will do the revision on the same topic 7.2. Okay. And small tests will be conducted at the end. Okay. So everybody open your workbook. Page number 11, question number 21.
Okay, ma'am.
In that duration of English class, we have already done. Now, today we have to do duration of science class. So, English class we have already done. Below that, you can write science class.
Ma'am, you
Duration.
want to write this?
Ah, yes, science class. The second one.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
My sound is okay now, my dear children?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, please see your device, dear, and adjust the volume. Now, what is the start time of science class? What is the start time of 9:30? And what is the end time of
Ma'am,
science
I
class?
cannot hear you. 10 o'clock.
10. Page number 11. Now, how you'll find length of science class? How you'll find length of science class, my dear children? How we will find length of science class? What do you have to do to find duration of anyone? Who can say? Abhinav, please unmute and say.
Ma'am,
How we will find duration of anyone? Abhinav, what to do? And start time is given, end time is given. How we will find out the duration?
ma'am, I will say.
Abhinav, do you know?
Ma'am, Devananda.
Yes, Devananda. What to do?
Ma'am, minus.
We have to subtract. We have to subtract end time minus start time. What do you have to do? End time minus start time. Here end time is? What is the end time?
10 o'clock.
10. 10. And what is the start time?
9:30.
9:30. Have to subtract this one. Now please stop writing. Please stop writing. I have to tell you one thing. Please stop writing. When you write this hours, minutes, first you have to write 10 hours, 00, 9 hours, 30 minutes. My dear children, when you subtract time like this, you keep in mind one thing. See, here the minutes. 0, 0. 0 minus 30. Can we subtract 0 minus 30? No. Here the minutes, the top minutes is less. The end time. Page number 11. But don't do now. Please see. Please listen. Okay, a small difference is there. That's why. Here, the minutes are less. 0 minus 30 is not possible. So we have to borrow. How we have to borrow? Write once again. Here minutes. Here it is 0, 0. And here it is 30. Please listen now. Please don't write anything. So what you have to do is, we have to borrow 1 hour from here. Okay. We have to take 1 hour from the hour place. When we take 1 hour from 10, 10 will become how many hours? 9. 10 minus 1, 9. And we are going to add with this minutes. Here 0, 0 minutes are there. With that, we are going to add.
First 0.
No. We can't add 1 hour as such. We have to convert it to minutes. 1 hour equal to how many minutes, my dear children?
60 minutes.
Oh, 60 minutes. So if we took 1 hour from here, when we add this minute part, it should be 60 minutes. So 60 plus 0, what you will get? You are going to add with the 0 minutes. That means 0 minutes. 60 plus 0, 60. So 60 plus 0, 60. So we are getting 60 over here, and down here 30 is that is already there. Do you understand how we got 60? Once again, here 0 minutes, here 30 minutes. We can't subtract 0 minus 30. So in such cases, you have to borrow from the hour part. You have to take 1 hour from the hour part. So here from this 10 hours, we took 1 hour. So 10 hour becomes this 10 hour becomes 9 hour. Advait, please listen. After that, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. This 10 will become 9, and the 1 hour we will add with this minutes. When we add the hour with the minutes, you have to convert it to minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. We are going to add 60 plus 0, you will get 60 itself. Here 0 is there. So 60 plus 0, 60 itself. Now you can borrow as usual subtraction. 0 minus 0. What do you get? 0 minus 0?
0.
6 minus 3? 6 minus 3?
9.
So who said 6 minus 3? 9. Take 6 fingers. Close 3 fingers.
3.
Who is saying 3, dear? 6 minus 3.
5. 5. 5.
Very bad.
5.
Very bad. 6 minus 3.
5.
Start. Take 6 fingers. All of you take.
3.
Take 6 fingers and close 3 fingers. How many is remaining? 3. Few are saying correct answer, but few are saying wrong also. 3. So 3. Here 9 minus 9, 0. So how many time we got?
30
minutes. All of you right now?
40.
All of you right?
Ma'am, we are going to add.
Where we want to add? My dear, we are subtracting the time. Have you all understood this one?
Yes.
Now, all of you copy down fast. Have you all completed, my dear children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we can revise the chapter, the 7.2 section. Okay. Now please close your books and see, listen. So first we can write time in figures and in words. When we write time, first what we have to check, which hands position we have to check first? Minute hand on our hand.
Minute. Our hand.
We have to check the position of our hand and we have to write hour. If it is between two numbers, you have to write whichever already passed, that hour you have to write. For example, if it is between 7 and 8, you have to write 7. Like that. And how we will find out minutes?
Minute hand.
How we will find out minutes? You have to check the position of minute hand and how we will write minutes.
Multiply 5. Multiply
By 5. If it is on 3, you have to write to 5, 15. If it is on 9, you have to write 9 into 5, 45. Okay. Then, how we will write time in words? If it is 15 minutes, what do you write for 15 minutes? For 15 minutes, we will write quarter past. For 15 minutes, we will say quarter past. Quarter. 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 Quarter past. Now, if it is 30 minutes, what will you write? 30 minutes. Past. For 30 minutes. Half past. What is spelling of half? H-A-L-F. Half. If it is 45 minutes, what will you write? Quarter more minutes to next hour. Quarter more minutes to next quarter. So if it is 7:45, you will write quarter to 8. If it is 9:45, you will write quarter to 10. Like that. So all of you open your notebook. Open your notebook.
I'm going to write something.
Yes, we have to write something. Okay. Now you have to write time both in words and figures for this clock. No need to draw the clock. In the notebook. You can give the heading revision. Okay. Now.
Ma'am, you do A, B like that.
Sorry?
Ma'am. Ma'am, we want to draw the clock.
You don't want to draw the clock. Just write time in words and figures.
Ma'am, we have to write revision.
You can write revision. Now, Advait, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
First question. I will write. What is the time?
3:95.
3:95.
Quarter.
No, I am asking 3. Our hand is between 3 and 4. So 3. And the minute hand is on 9. So how much? All of you have to write.
45.
45. So how we will write in words?
Quarter to.
Yes, very good. Quarter to next hour. Quarter to
Next hour.
What is the next hour?
3. Quarter to 3.
Is it 3 itself next hour?
No, 4.
Quarter to next hour means quarter to 4.
4.
Have you understood now? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Lysel, please unmute. Sri Parvati, please do. Lysel, next question. The hour end is between 11 and 12. So how many hours?
11 hours.
11 hours. And the minute hand is on 6. So how many minutes?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. How will you write in words? For 30 minutes, what will you say?
11.
Half past. Half past. Yes.
11.
11. Correct. Half past 11. Okay. Now, Parthasarthi and Sri Parvati, please unmute.
Ma'am,
Next question. The hour end is
5.
5. The minute hand is on 3. So how many minutes?
5:15.
Yes, 5:15. How will you write in words? For 15 minutes, what will you say?
Half.
For 30 minutes, we will say half past. For 45 minutes, we will say quarter to. Then for 15 minutes, what do you say? For 15 minutes, we will say quarter. So, quarter.
Quarter to.
No, for 45 minutes, we will say quarter to, dear. For 15 minutes, we will say quarter past. Okay. For 15 minutes, what do you say? Quarter past 5. Quarter past 5.
5.
Now, Shabari, please unmute. Next question. You can put question number like this. Okay, A, B, C, D. Question number D. Position of minute hand is between 8 and 9. So, sorry? Not 8 and 9. Is it?
3 and 9.
Yeah, 3 and 9. Is it on almost 9? In between 9 and 10. So, what you can say? How many hours? It is close to 9. So, between 9 and 10, close to 9. So, how many hours? How many hours, dear?
9 and 15.
The hours is 9 hours. Okay, 9 hours. And the minute hand is on 3. So, 15 minutes. So, 9,
Yes.
15. Okay.
9 and 15.
How we will write in words? For 15 minutes, what will say? For 15 minutes, we will say quarter past. Okay. For 15 minutes, what will say, dear? Quarter past. So here also we can write quarter past. How many hours? How many hours?
9 hours.
9 hours. So quarter past 9. For 15 minutes, we will say quarter past. For 30 minutes, we will say half past. For 45 minutes, we will say quarter to. After quarter to, you have to write next hour. Now, we can see the position of minute hand and hour. Minute hand for the given minutes. Okay. So, if it is 30 minutes, where will be the position of minute hand? You have to check. Yes. Everybody should write along with me. Okay. What into 5 you get 30? My dear children, what into 5 you get 30? Which number?
6 into 5.
6 into 5. So where will be the position of minute hand? On 6.
6.
Yes. Now I am going to mute you all. Now, Ihsan. Wait, dear. Unmute. 15 minutes. Where will be the position of minute hand? Dash into 5 equal to 15. So, where will be the position of minute hand? What into 5 you get? What into 5 you get 15? Which number into 5 you get 15? Hmm. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15.
3 5
So 3 into 5 you get 15. So listen here. The position of minute hand will be on 3.
3.
Now Alvina, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
So if it is 20 minutes, where will be the position of minute hand?
4 into 5, 20.
So where will be the position of minute hand?
4.
Towards 4. Like that. Next. Yes, Naila, please unmute. For 45 minutes.
What?
Where will be the position of minute hand? Dash into 545. Which number into 545 you will get?
9 into 5.
9 into 5. 9. So the position of minute hand will be on 9. Okay. Now, Siddharth, please unmute. How you will find duration of an event? What do you have to do?
We want to subtract
We have to subtract. What do you have to subtract?
the starting time and ending time.
End time minus start time.
Starting
End,
time.
end time minus start
Starting
time.
time.
So duration equal to end time minus right, start time in the beginning, and time minus start time. Here, for the first question, we have to find duration for these questions. Here, for the first question, it is end time is 7:50.
750.
And start time is 7:10. So hours, minutes, we can write 7:50 minus 7:10. Here 50 minutes on the top. It is big than 10 minutes. So no need to borrow. 50 minutes is bigger than 10 minutes. So no need to borrow from hours. You can do normal subtraction. What you will get? How much duration we will get? How many minutes are the duration?
3.
Who said 3?
No. 30.
No. Very easy subtraction. We can subtract minutes first. 0. 0 minus 0?
0.
0. 5 minus 1?
60.
5 minus 1?
60.
Who said 60?
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, you can send it all. This
14.
we write in notebook. 4.
Yes, dear. I will, whatever things you want to copy down to your notebook, I will send in the WhatsApp. Okay. But now listen. 5 minus 1 is 4.
4.
7 minus 7, 0. So how many minutes?
40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Ma'am,
This one,
this we write in the notebook.
this one is a homework. Now, if you didn't write, no problem. I will send in the WhatsApp. You can copy down. And the next question is a homework. You have to do it alone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Same. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So now I am going to mute you all. And
Ma'am, time is up.
My dear, please keep quiet. I'm going to send the link. Before that, my dear children, 1 hour equal to how many minutes?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. And if the our hand's position is 15 minutes, if it is 15 minutes, where is the position of our hand?
3.
If it is 15 minutes, our hand's position will be on 3. And next, 8:30. How will you write 8:30? In
Our
words.
hand will be between.
I am asking in words. In words, how we will write 8:30?
Half past
8. 8:30 will write half past 8. Now I am going to send the link. Please see the question. Only 4 questions. Very easy questions. If anybody is there to get the link, please unmute and say. Anybody is there to get the link? Write the name and your class. 1 hour equal to dash minutes. 8:30 is dash. You have to write in words. What is the position of minute hand for 15 minutes? State time. There the hour hand is between 1 and 2 and the minute hand is on 9. So what is the time? Only this much.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
fourth question, the our hand is between 1 and 2.
Yes, it is between 1.
8:30 is 8. Third question, what is position? Minute?
My dear children, keep your audio muted. Otherwise, Mini has submitted already. Very good. And got.
Ma'am, I got full mark.
Okay, okay. Reika, be careful when you are submitting. Ameya should be careful when you write the time in words. Understand your mistake and correct it for the next time.
Ma'am, I got full mark.
Okay, many got full mark.
Ma'am, I got full mark.
It will disturb others. I know I can see many got full mark. Very good. So those who made mistake, Ameya, have you understood your mistake? For the exam, don't repeat the same mistake. Be careful when you are writing. And those who are remaining to write can take your own time and submit. No need to do in a hurry. And I'm going to wind up the class, my dear children. Please attend the test and submit those who are remaining. Okay? You are done. Thank you, my dear children. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.